sing that shit.
Hey everybody, this is Mark doing my quick and honest review of the Cricut EasyPress. I'm a nerd and a hobbyist and I like to tinker with stuff, and I got a Cricut machine a while back and I started playing with heat transfer vinyl and was using my iron. And then as I started playing with other vinyls, I realized temperature makes a big deal. And as good as I could try it with my iron, I was like, you know what? I want to see if I can find something that's better. And I'll be darned, the 12-inch Cricut EasyPress has been a lifesaver for me. So I ended up choosing the 12 inches because I do a lot of t-shirts, and pretty much the furthest I'll go is like 9 to 10 inches. And so that the 9-inch Cricut was just too small. So I ended up going for the 12. So let me kind of explain why I like it. Is when you turn this guy on, it's fit and finish, right? So it's super heavy, which is really nice, and comes with this nice little guy. So when it's hot, I do mine here in the kitchen, right? And you can set it on there and it's no problem, right? A couple things why I like it. When you turn this guy on, you can kind of see that you can adjust your temperature, right? Adjust your temperature as you see fit. How long do you want your press to be, or the timer to be? And then once it's done, once it gets to the temperature, it's gonna beep and say, hey, it's at the X amount of temperature. And then when I'm ready to put it on there, I'll put it on my shirt or whatever I'm putting on there and hit the Cricut button, right? This guy. And what it's gonna see is you can start seeing here, it's starting to count down. And that is you just holding on what you're doing and go from there, it beeps and boom, and you are done. Put it on here, let it cool off, and put it to wherever you wanna go. This thing is fantastic. The reason being is why I love it is you get the exact temperature 100% of the time. You know it's gonna work 100% of the time from a temperature gauge, pressure from there. So I love mine. If you do any heat transfer vinyls for anything, whether it's Cricut or not, this heat press for the money, you cannot beat it. I absolutely love mine. If you're looking for one, I highly recommend it. This is not a sales pitch, it's a review. I use it all the time. Hope you enjoy it too. Bye-bye.